What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, ladies and fellas in the back? I see y'all. Nique here, and I'm back with another video. Alright y'all, so as you can see, I am back home. Well, I don't know if I uploaded the Tennessee vlog before this video, because the Tennessee vlog that I recorded when we were out there is very long. I got a lot of footage from that trip, so I gotta see how I'm gonna, put it all together so I can give y'all a little insight on places y'all can go to when y'all are in Tennessee. But yeah, y'all, so we are back home right now, so I just thought, how about I give y'all an update on the house, because some things have changed around here. I'm gonna give y'all, a little look around, walk through, whatever, just of the kitchen and maybe, the family room or whatever. Anyways, before we get into that, thank you so much for clicking this video, boo. I hope you're having a great day. And if you aren't, I hope your day gets better. I miss you so much. I'm so happy to be on the cam. But anyways, let me stop running my mouth, y'all, and let me show y'all the table. Oh my gosh. Oh, y'all see the feng shui going on in the back. Y'all, let's start right there. Yeah, still gotta get a table, for right there to go underneath the TV. I don't know if I want, to do the bookshelves or the mirrors right here and right here. Y'all let me know. I don't know just about yet what I want to do, but we have something new. So I don't know if I showed you guys this. I got this from Bob's Furniture. Girl, what is this right here? Oh, I thought it was dirt or something. But I got this from Bob's Furniture for like $40, really nice. Got these little fire, they look like logs, for the fireplace, but they're like candle holders or whatever. So it has a candle on the top. Love that. Can you see that? Super cute. Get into the detail. So yeah, love those. I got these from Home Goods. They were, I think, $10 each. So yeah, really looks like a little log. So I was like, oh, that goes with the fireplace vibe. So yeah, I was like, I could put that on the mantle. Now I still want to put a mirror behind all of this, just so it gives it like a more wider, type of range vibe or whatever. Like it's just not just wall. Like I wanted to give, I don't know the word I'm looking for right now, y'all, but y'all know what I'm talking about. So anyways, I got this from At Home. This was really nice. I forgot how much this was, but you could check in the last vlog that I did. But that is really cute. Love that. So I thought all this went, together. Let me know how y'all loving that. Y'all know I got this bin from, I think, Marshall's. Jackie's cover. Throwing off the aesthetics, but I gotta let him have his blanket down here, y'all. But yeah, it looks good so far right now. I have not put any pillow on the couches yet because I was just like, don't know yet. This is just my little foot massager. No one cares about that. But yeah, y'all, so let's go into the kitchen. The table got delivered today, so I was like, oh yes, my babies, I gotta show them. Love it. So y'all, this is the table. Remember we were looking at this in a couple of vlogs before at Gardner White. It finally came. Love these stools. So the stools are like cloth, but like the back, has the wood on there. Super nice. Love the table. I don't have to sweep underneath there. I just go around it, so that's convenient. Has the wood top. So yeah, on top of here I just have the cake stand because I'm about to make a cake, y'all. I'm about to make me a cake, my little Dollar Tree cake. I got the little wood coaster that I got from Marshall's, and I got this vase that I got from Marshall's for only $10. So I thought that was cute with the wood table. Get into that. How y'all loving that? You like it, sis? I think it's cute. So yeah, we have the 4 stools there. So that is that. Right now I just put that little Easter egg thing right there. I thought that was cute because it's Easter, Speaking of Easter, I got this other sign from Marshall's like I don't know, a couple weeks ago or so for Easter. Thought that was nice. So y'all know these countertops are granite, but this is like some type of marble or whatever, I don't know. But I love that it's really heavy and it has the wood on top. Y'all know I love my wood and my greenery vibes. Going into this plant right here that I got from At Home, which is really reasonable. I love this plant, it's super cute. Gives me my little greenery. And then y'all, oh my goodness. Can y'all believe that I got this from Home Goods for only $10? And it matches the, little Easter ornament thing, whatever you call it. statue. I don't know. It matches that so perfect. So I just like, oh, I could put it on the counter with the cutting board. It matches. So yeah, that's right there. So I just have, you know, my little wash dispenser. I still got to get my faucet from Lowe's or at home. Not Lowe's. Yeah, Lowe's or not Home Goods. Girl, what I'm talking about? Lowe's or Home Depot. We still got to get our faucet changed out. But yeah, still loving these seamless countertops. You know, I have this paper roll from, girl, this is from my old apartment. I had spray painted it. It was silver, but I spray painted it black. So that is right there. Got my little air fryer my grandma got me. Girl, we be putting this to work. We about to put some steaks in there tonight. I don't know if I'm vlog tonight, but I definitely wanted to give y'all an update on the house. If y'all want me to update y'all on like more what's going on and more into-depth videos of what I'm doing throughout the day or vlogs, like this video, I know to do that. But yeah, y'all, so I got this little spinning thing from Marshalls as well. I think I got this little oil dispenser from Marshalls. It has the vinegar and the oil in there. I love that because it looked different. And I also saw this at Home Goods as well. You can get that at Home Goods. I got my little candle always going. It's the birthday cake candle. I still got that candle that I got from Marshalls. And I got this little figure guy here that I have from my old apartment. He's always rolling with me. I got him from IKEA, so I thought that was cute. I just set that there. And I got this little spice rack, y'all know, from Marshalls. It has, you know, pretty much everything you need. Bay leaves, rosemary, basil, parsley, or what, oregano, girl. Oregano, girl. I know what it is. I just can't say it right now. White Himalayan salt. It has bay leaves. It has funnel seeds. It has mint. It has sage. It has thyme. Girl, I got everything. So yeah, love that. Got that from Marshalls. I got the butter out right now so I can make with my cake. And yeah, so stove looking clean. We just had a big breakfast not too long ago. So I cleaned up. And then still got my little NutriBullet I got a long time ago. My husband got me. Girl, speaking of my husband, I don't even got my dang on ring on. I was supposed to put my ring back on, but I put some lotion on my ashy hands. I forgot to put it back on, but it's back on. So I got these little containers from Dollar General, $4 each. And I got this from Marshalls. I don't know how much it was, but I thought it was cute to put it right here together. So this is the overview of everything, y'all. So I just felt like this all just looked good together. Y'all let me know what y'all thinking. You know? How's it looking? I didn't put the grass balls up there. I just put this little vase that I got from Burlington up there. I don't know what I want to do on top of the cabinets just yet. It's a work in progress. Speaking of work in progress, they have to come back and fix the ceiling because for some reason it's not giving straight ceiling. Like, I don't understand. Like, it looked like it's a little messed up. So I am still doing a video of more into depth of what we need fixed around here. My dad already had to help us fix the light in the over the fireplace. So yeah, it's a couple little things that's been going, you know, a little wrong as far as like minor stuff like the lights, drywall, like the wall. I'm just gonna do an in-depth video. Just give me a little bit more time. I want to have all my information together. I still gotta order my Sony camera, but it's still out of stock. But anyways, y'all, like I said, I'm still gonna hit y'all up with that informative video. Stay tuned. I ain't forgot. But let me get back into this tour. So yeah, I have my little flower arrangement that I put together this morning before brunch. I thought this was really cute. I got these flowers from Kroger. Y'all know I get my flowers from Kroger or Walmart. Y'all know this vase is from Wayfair. I showed y'all this before. I gotta order the bigger one so I can go with it. That'll be really cute. But I was like, yeah, it's giving spring, it's giving Easter. So yeah, that little flower arrangement is nice for right now. Plus, roses always die so quick. Let me tell y'all real quick. So why I tried to do Instacart order day before yesterday, me and Jackie went out to Texas Roadhouse for dinner. And I tried to do an Instacart order because I didn't want to go in the store. So I was like, all right, let me go ahead and place the order. So I was like, I told the lady to leave the groceries in the garage. I left the garage door open and everything, you know, so when we go out to dinner, she can just leave it in there. So while we pull up, I'm like, all right, let me go and grab the groceries out the garage. No groceries was there. So I called them like, where's the groceries? Where's the groceries, Instacart, sir? Where's the groceries? He was like, let me call the lady that, you know, did your shopping and was supposed to drop it off. So boom, he called her. She didn't answer. So you just eat my groceries, huh? You just took my groceries home and ate them. But anyways, I was like, you know what, this is my first time, my last time using this service. I'm just gonna take my lazy self up there to curbside. Okay, I'm still not gonna walk around, I'm still gonna go to curbside. Okay, but anyways, that was irritating. That's that, whatever. So I did the pickup order from Myers this morning for brunch, and yeah, the refrigerator is kind of stocked up right now. I have the sweet tea, love the sweet tea. I got my herb, this is what I really wanted to show y'all. I got the herb container going, you know, I showed y'all in the last vlog. I got my asparagus in there. Starbucks coffee's back there. Tamika, my sister say they don't taste the same, but girl, it tastes the same to me. I don't care. They all made me go to the bathroom anyway. So anyways, got my little orange juice, milk, you know, the basic stuff, bacon. I gotta fill up my egg container. I got this egg container from Marshall's too, y'all. I think it was like $7 or something. Really reasonable. But I want to show y'all these two samples. Let me show you. I got these two samples from, well, I got this one sample from Lush called the eye cream. I don't know if y'all have, you know, seen or heard of this before. I don't know if my camera gonna focus or not, girl. This camera be acting so ghetto. But it's called Enchanted Eye Cream by Lush. I've been trying that out under my eyes. I don't really see a difference, but I'm gonna try the cucumber under eye patches tonight that I got from Lush. So I'm gonna let y'all know how those go. But anyways, I was in the refrigerator, so that just made me think about it. But I'm gonna let y'all know if I like them, or let me know if y'all used them before. But anyways, y'all, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and I got my little stool that I got from Marshall's a while ago. Love that stool. It definitely helps me out, you know. Short people matter. Anyways, that's about it, y'all. That's the update for the house. Oh, I can show y'all my little decorations I got outside for Easter. Y'all decorate for Easter, let me know in the comments below. Y'all got y'all little decorations out. I guess I can show y'all in here. Nothing else really changed. I got my little Easter bunny in there with the camera. Got my little Bath and Body Works candle. Smells really good. It's the Waikiki Beach Coconut. Smells awesome. We got Rummy Rum over here, girl. He is over here lagging. I gotta get him together for real and get him in another pot. But ain't nothing really much else going on in here, y'all. I was on vlog today, but this is pretty much a vlog almost, girl. It's probably long, I don't know. But let me show you what I did outside. Girl, did I lock myself out? All right, I didn't lock myself out. All right, so this is a little ornament I made for Easter. Super cute. I put water at the bottom so it won't fly away no more. But I got all this stuff from Dollar Tree. If you want to know how to make this, let me know in the comments below, or like this video and I'll show you how to make that. But I just got it on my little statue thing here with the little rug mat my sister got me that say hello and goodbye. Super cute. Got this little Easter sign and this little eggs here. Girl, I got all this stuff from Dollar Tree. Super reasonable. Let me step back. Super reasonable, you know. Still gotta get some patio chairs and stuff out here. But yeah, it's coming together. Still gotta get a little, you know, stuff out here. But I got this cute little side from Dollar Tree as well. How cute is that? And I put one right there. Out here looking crazy, feet crusty. But my toes and my feet match. Hey, don't match. My clothes don't match, but my toes and my feet match. All right. So that's pretty much what's going on around the cribbo. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for hanging with me today. I really appreciate it. You know I do, boo. I'm gonna see you in the next video. I hope you're having a great day. I don't know when you're watching this video. If you're watching this video at work, hope you're having a good day at work. Girl, I gotta go to work tomorrow. I know, I feel you. Anyways, I hope you're having a great day and good spirits and positive. But stay tuned for the next video. I really appreciate you hanging with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Mwah.